Welcome to the School of Wordcraft and Worldmancy. This is Feedback Frenzy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another Worldcraft and Worldmancy Submit Saturday, where we review your 1,500 words of fiction or world-building articles, where you can submit them at wgc.bz/submit. And now, it is time to descend into the madness that is known as Culinary Punk. This is again for a world entry for World Building Summer Camp 2022, a person considered villainous or monstrous. All right, this is Victor von Bakinstein. Victor von Bakinstein. All right, thank you to WriterGreg in his chat for peer pressuring me into creating Bakinstein. You are the best, Beans. You're more than welcome. Thank you. Okay, so we're just going to zoom a little bit into here. I don't want to zoom in too far with this article because I really appreciate Armstrong's use of layout and of CSS and the colors. And I don't want to zoom in too far because of and all that stuff. Okay, so Victor von Bakinstein. Gingerbread folk are dear to me, and I will advance them. Oh my. Victor von Bakinstein once dreamed of becoming a cleric of the Muffin Man. Unfortunately, life had other plans. His fascination with gummancy, and frosting magic led him down a dark road, and he now spends nearly all his spare time studying
Sprinters
the
take
sticky
5.
materials.
Marchers only 15 more.
A misunderstood fixation. Victor von Bakinstein was born in the Sugar Canaan Isles to the average gingerbread folk family. He was always a bit odd compared to his peers and found it difficult to make friends in his hometown. When he was old enough, he built a gingerbread home in the midst of the densest gummy thickets. He became obsessed with the thought of massive gingerbread folk to protect the town of Gummiesburg despite their protestations around his behavior. Compulsion. Bakinstein had spent his life pursuing his passion. He knew his dreams were against the status quo of other gingerbread folk, despite their love of gummimancy. After decades away from society, he experienced a sudden change in demeanor. He seemed remorseful towards something and became sickly. Rumors are Bakinstein had crossed a line in his research and gave in to his delusions. Locals are hesitant to address the odd man. Due to the accusations of necromancy, Bakinstein fled Gummiesburg and took up a small space on the outskirts of Sugar Canaan. His home wasn't large to begin with, but has grown with each passing year, now standing to a sizable mansion surrounded by colorful gummy thickets. Bakinstein prefers the separation from others, but has always made weekly trips into town to do a bit of shopping. These trips have slowed as of late. A local rumor, the creature of Bakinstein. The social circles of gingerbread folk tend to be incredibly small, and word travels fast. When Bakinstein left the town, people began to talk. At first it was said that he was simply an odd fellow and might prefer a life alone. However, rumor soon spiraled as his visits slowed and his appearance took a turn for the worse. His mumbles about making a terrible mistake while hiding bruises far too large to come from gingerbread folk. Locals fear he may be up to more than harmless experiments in his remote home. Children spoke of a terrifying creature creeping into town at night and stealing from the townspeople, but they were laughed off. Tales of his monster have been used to scare children into behaving across Sugar Canaan, but no true sightings have been documented. Okay. Bakinstein, or The Modern Amalgam, a short story coming to Culinary Punk Halloween 2022. All images from Pixabay and are created by Emily Armstrong. This is a pretty impressive Bakinstein house. That's cute. How'd you make this? Oh, Wombo Art. Created with Wombo Art. That is just really cute. Thanks. That's all. Well, I am definitely not disappointed with the article of Victor von Bakinstein. Fun little article. Thank you for the shout out in the credits, and thank you to, this is a great starting. This is a great teaser, if you will, for a future thing, a future short story. Yeah, it's fun. Victor von Bakinstein has bruises. How a gingerbread can bruise? Who would have thought, or who would have known? All right, thank you so much for sharing this. And I think this was a great little answer to the prompt. A person considered villainous or monstrous. All right. Thank you so much for sharing this article with us here, Emily, and looking forward to seeing more. And if you would like to submit more
Only
articles,
10 minutes left, everyone. Let's squeeze out the words.
If you would like to have more of these articles, please visit Submit Saturday forum at wgc.bz/submit, and your content could be featured in a future Submit Saturday. Thanks, everyone, and keep on writing.
Thanks for watching this feedback frenzy. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. WriterGreg offers coaching sessions to help bring your world to life, create compelling stories, and accomplish your creative goals. Please visit wgc.bz/coaching for more details.